welcome or welcome back to Budget Keep Conquer. Hey guys, I know. I'm sorry to keep y'all waiting, but life was lifing this weekend. Also, please excuse my nails. I'm getting them done soon, so I know that looks ridiculous. But we're going to go ahead and get on into it. If you didn't see the unboxing for box number 12, you can feel free to go back to the previous video. But we're going to jump on into it. Today, to box number 11 here. And we're going to see what's in here. Ooh, this bag is lovely. Oh my goodness, this bag is so lovely. It feels so good. It's like a velvety satin type bag. It's very good quality. It's really nice. Okay, I like that. I could probably use this for some other stuff too. Oh, this is beautiful. So here we have an A6 patent binder. Okay. And then of course instructions on the back. We have the Baddies and Budgets detail here imprinted on the binder. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, and it also has the labels here. Ah, that's neat. Okay. Lots of card slots, that's for sure. A little pocket down here. I love this gold detail against this pink, this like Barbie pink. This is beautiful. Then have a pen holder here. Do you have any pockets on the side? Oh, a pocket on the side. Okay. I love these envelopes. I am starting to like these a little bit more than some of the other budgeting envelopes because it just seemed like better quality and you are able to, they just seem more secure and you don't have to worry about them like popping open or coming unglued or whatever, whatever the adhesive is for some of these envelopes. But I like these. Oh, and so it has a little pocket here. You put the labels on it, and so it shows just like that. I like this. And how many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 envelopes in here. And so this is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, there's tons of card slots. Even on this side, there's a lot of card slots. That pocket right here. And then let's see. Oh, there's a pocket on this side as well. So lots of space for anything that you may need. Of course, your cash envelopes here. Any type of cards or IDs, a pen, any business cards maybe that you can put in here and just kind of use this as your maybe everyday wallet, maybe, depending on what kind of situation you're carrying. But I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, day 11. Nice. Okay, she already started out. She already started out good on the first day, on day number 12. And you're telling me that this is day 11? Okay. Look, we're on a roll. We are on a roll. Okay, so that was day 11. Let's go to day 10 here. You probably can't see it, so it's day 10. I messed up the box a little bit there. Oh, what is this? Okay. We have a die. Okay. So let's see here. What do we have? Okay, well, let's pick up the card and see what this is. Some more envelopes. This is an A6 acrylic binder. Okay, so, all right, so we have some more clear envelopes here. So I can get this open. And toss that over there. Okay. And then you just, looks like you just slip the cash in here. You'll slip your money in here. And so that's really nice. How many do we have? 1. Ooh, wait. These are new. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here. Okay. And so it looks like you would have to maybe put this together. Okay. This is acrylic. Look, my nails. There's some ASMR. Okay. All right. So it looks like these may be like the binder rings that I would stick in between here. So that's pretty cool. Then you have the die here. Okay. So we have them with an airplane here, a little tube of lipstick, a piggy bank, oh, some cash wrapped in ribbons, sunglasses, a cell phone. Oh, those are cute. That's really pretty. And it's just one on it's the same thing. Okay, I like. This is beautiful. Look, her branding has no bounds, you guys. It has no bounds. She even has her logo on the dice. I don't know if you can see that. Let me do like the YouTubers. Put my hand. I hope you can see that. That's really nice. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay. It definitely looks like something that will go into the acrylic binder. So, let's see. Oh, Baddies Airlines. Okay, so let me see if this will, you can see it a little bit here. That's Baddies Airlines. And it looks like a little ticket, airline ticket, or boarding pass rather. Oh, I like this. Also, it's savings challenges. Oh, so you have a boarding pass. And then a checklist. The total for this one would be $700. And so it tells you in the corner. It tells you what each one, so I guess if you roll the dice, then if you get one of these, is it? So yeah, I guess if you roll the dice. Oh, okay, there's more. All right. And then it tells you what each one of these logos are and how much they are. Okay. I like these. So these are just like little challenges. This one is 800, a total of 800. This one is a total of 600. It's all access pass. Oh, where you can set your own goal per plane. And another all access pass. Okay, lounges. Oh, this is where the dice come in. Okay, I see now. This is where the dice come in. So if you roll it, you roll one dice and then you roll another one. Oh, the first roll and then the second roll. And I guess wherever they meet in between is what you would put into your challenge envelope. Okay, so that's really nice. I like that. It seems pretty simple enough. Okay, all right. I can't wait to put that together. That might be the first savings challenge that I do or begin with. We'll see. Okay. I like. Okay, so let's get to... Ooh, oh my goodness. Let's go back. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, so let's get to box number 9. Box number 9. All right. scratch and save. I have never done a scratch and save challenge, and so this is going to be quite interesting. Oh man, these envelopes are so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. Like, I don't even know if my camera is doing it any justice. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 envelopes here for the scratch and save. That's nice. Okay. Oh, and then the scratch off tickets. Okay. Let's undo these. Scratch off tickets here. Let's toss that. Okay. So we get 5 cards, 5 scratch offs. Oh, so this is savings scratch off, 30-day savings challenge, supreme savings, a rainy day fund, and big bank baddie. Okay, so this one's 1,000, 500, 300. Oh, so you have to reveal the total for this one for the 30 days. And looks like the same for the savings scratch off as well. Okay, I like that. That's nice. It seems simple enough as well. Ooh, uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. Ah! Oh, okay. Oops, look at me. Leaving stuff in the box. Oh, so this is like just the little scratch off tool. A scratcher. Oh my goodness. That's pretty. It's so cute. Okay, yeah, I like the savings challenges. I'm so excited to start that one. I have, like I said, I've never done a scratch off challenge before, so I'm super excited. Let's see. Let's see if we want to go ahead and open another one. Like a spoiler alert. Should we do it? Let's just do it. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, so this is box number 8. Oh, the big one in the middle. Ooh. Okay. Oh my, what is this? Cross body bag. A cross body bag. Okay, let me just open it. How do I open it? Let me see. Okay. Let's just get this open. Because I love the color. It's so vibrant and pink. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. It is a crossbody bag. If you kind of know in my day, it kind of looks like a, I mean, I'm not that old, but I heard the people say, you know, back in the day, this might be a fanny pack. I'm not that old, y'all. So we have this front pocket here, front zipper pocket here. Lots. That's a pretty big pocket. So I can already tell it's going to be lots of space in here. We have the main pocket here. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. So that's another surprise in there. Oh, and then the mesh pockets on the inside. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. And then this, oh, no, it's another pocket back here. So you can stick something in there. Oh my goodness. I really like this. You have a carabiner clip on the side. And something for a key ring, keychain ring. The strap seems very, very sturdy. Like really good quality. It's thick. Like that's really nice. It feels really good. You have the clip here. And look, it seems like it's definitely plus size friendly. Do y'all see the length of this strap here? Because, baby, I'm plus size. I need to fit. Oh, okay. There's a little something over here in the corner. Oh, whoa. What is this? Oh, gosh. My nails are making it really hard to get out. But we're going to get it out. Get out of here. What is it? Okay. All right. Oh, my. Okay. All right. I'm going to cut this so that y'all won't see me struggle. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is something for your water bottle. Oh, a little pocket for your water bottle. So it sits just on the side like this. I've never seen a crossbody bag come with that. Oh, so that's really cute. Okay. And then, oh, it says spend intentionally. Oh, that's so pretty. Spend intentionally. And then, of course, again, her Baddies and Budgets logo, child. Let's say she went ham with the logos on these products, on these. I love it. She wants people to know. Okay. Girl, where'd you get that from? Baddies and Budgets. What? So, saving money, building wealth, and looking very stylish at the same time. You can't beat that. Let me get this other thing over here. Okay, looks like another pouch. Let's get it open. See what it is. Toss that. Okay. It's a mesh pouch. It has another little pocket in here. Oh, I like. And so you can put all kinds of like little goodies in here. Whether you want to keep it as like your wallet or stuff your cash in there. Stuff like lip gloss, you know, a little something, lip oil, whatever the case is. You can certainly put it in here. Oh, I like that. Look, there's so many variations of pink. It's not even funny, but I love it, okay? All right, you guys, this is a wrap for this video. These are very nice surprises. Like, I never thought that she would put something like this in the advent calendar, but I love it. I love it. And I'm so glad that I invested in this advent calendar for 2024. So come back so we can see what else is in store for Baddies and Budgets 2024 advent calendar. All right, you guys. Bye.